Barbie and her sisters plan to go to New York City to spend Christmas with Aunt Millicent. Barbie is going to the final performance of a Broadway play with Aunt Millicent, Skipper's going to her friend Zoe's concert, Stacy's going to go ice skating at Rockefeller Skating Rink, and Chelsea wants to feed the sea lions at Central Park Zoo. At first, everything goes well when suddenly they have to land in Rochester, Minnesota because a terrible snowstorm is coming. Barbie and her sisters have no choice but to get to Minneapolis by car. Stacy begins to get angry because Chelsea imitates what she's doing. Barbie promises her sisters that they will get to New York in time for Christmas, and is so determined that she attempts to drive them there. Skipper books them a flight and they stop at Tannenbaum Inn for the night and meet Christy Clausen, the innkeeper. She gives Barbie and her sisters a room and they go to bed. Barbie promises her sisters that they will have the perfect Christmas. When they are asleep, Barbie tells Christy that she doesn't want to let them down, and Christy comforts her. She encourages Barbie to make a wish on a star, and Barbie wishes to have a perfect Christmas. The next morning, on Christmas Eve, Skipper tells her sisters that their flight to New York is cancelled because of excessive snow. Stacy and Chelsea are upset. Barbie tries to remain optimistic, but deep down she knows that Skipper is right. Later that day, Barbie and her sisters go outside to play with the dogs. All of the sudden, Chelsea meets a dog named Rudy, and both are having fun by going on sleighs, while her older sisters followed her. They all have fun and learn that Christmas is about family. Barbie and her sisters go out and find a herd of reindeer. One reindeer leads them to a barn full of wrapped presents. On their way back to the inn, they hear music and find a band without a singer. Brian, one of the band's guitarists, recognizes Skipper from her vlogs and tells her he would like to be on one of her podcasts. Barbie gets an idea to have a Christmas Eve concert at the inn with Brian's band and Skipper performing together. Skipper tells Barbie that she wants to plan the show herself, and Barbie agrees to only help where she is wanted. But when Skipper gets nervous about making her own concert, she yells at Chelsea. Heartbroken, Chelsea goes away to leave her sisters alone. Skipper later tells Barbie that the reason she didn't want her help was because she felt insecure when she compared herself to her big sister. Barbie comforts her, and then the show's preparations are halted when Chelsea goes missing. Her sisters began to get worried and go look for her. They find her sulking in a stable and the girls all forgive each other. Stacy tells Chelsea that she loves her even when she gets angry at her little sister. The gang goes back to the inn to have the concert. Barbie's sisters all perform and Skipper's sisters join her as she sings with Brian's band. After the concert, Aunt Millicent arrives to spend Christmas with the girls and everyone gathers outside the inn to look at a Christmas tree. Barbie and her sisters decide to try to go to New York next Christmas.